Hello everyone, my name is Mulutura Enoch and we are going to revise together CS 110, the continuation of the same paper that we are doing. So we ended on question 7, which says convert a D in base 16 to octal number. So I said we have been given that number in hexadecimal and the octal number, it is in base 7 and the numbers runs from 0 to 7. So what I should do, or what I'm going to do, is that I'm going to first convert it in a binary number. So that A is represented by 10 and then D is represented by 13. So I'm going to find the number that when I add I get base 15 first. That is in hexadecimal. So that is 84, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. What numbers can I add from this list for me to obtain 13? So 8 plus 4, that is 12 plus that. You're going to get 13, that is 1, 1, 0, 1. So the number that I've selected from that list, I'm going to replace them by 1. Then the one that I've not selected by 0. So for me to obtain 10, I'm getting 8 plus 2. So that is 1, 1, 0, 0. So these are the binary numbers that I've obtained. Now the rule is this. What you should bear in mind is this. This is the binary number 10, 10, 11, 0, 1. So what I'm going to ask myself is this. So octal number, it is in base what? It is in base 8. So and then this is the binary number. So I'm going to write 2 and then I'm going to ask myself to say, what number can I raise to these 2 to obtain base 8? It's 3. I'm going to obtain base 8. So that simply means that that 3 that you have put on top of 2, you are going to group these binary number in 3 groups. So I'm going to start counting 1, 2, 3. So this is my first group. 1, 2, 3. Another group of 3. 1, 2. So I'm going to add a 0 to make it 3. So from there, when I do that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put 2 on each. That is 2, 2, 2. Let me just separate it. 2, 2, 2. 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. From there, I have to assign the what? The powers. So 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So there I'm getting 4. There 2. A number raised to power 0. It's 1. There that is 1. 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Now from there, what I'm going to do is that I have to multiply these numbers that I've corrected. These numbers that I've corrected here with the what? With the binary number that I converted. So 4 times 0, that is 0, plus 2 times 1, that is 2, plus 1 times 0, that is 0. 4 times 1, 4, plus 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 times 1, 1. So 4 times 1, that is 4, plus 2 times 0, that is 0, plus 1 times 1, that is 1. Now it's just the issue of summation. So here I'm going to get 2 4 plus that is 5, then 4 plus that is also 5. So what I'm going to do is just to correct numbers going this side. So 2, 5, 5 in base 8 as octal state. So this is my answer. We can proceed to the next question. So they are saying convert 348 to octal number. So we have been given 348, then they are telling us to convert it in what? In octal number. So what I'm going to do there is just to get that number, divide it by 8. So I'm going to write remainder 348, that is 8. So 8 divide 348, you find out to say that it is entering 43, I mean the 43 remainder you are getting, when you divide you are getting 43.5. So what you are going to do is that write 43, and then when you remove 43 there, you're going to remain with the 0.5. You have removed this 43. So what you are going to do is that to find the remainder, you're going to multiply it by what? The base, which is 8. So when you multiply, you are getting 4. So that 4 is your remainder. So you write remainder 4. And then you also proceed. So when you divide 43 into that, you are getting 5.375. So what you are going to do, write that number, which is 5. So after writing that number, you are going to remain with 0.375. Multiply it by what? By the octal state, which is in base 8. So when you multiply, you're going to get 3. So that 3 is your remainder. You write 3. Now 8 into 5. 5 cannot enter into what? Into 5. So since 5 cannot enter into 5, get the number starting from here going up. So I repeat, 5 into 8. 5 cannot enter into what? Into 8. So if it cannot enter, what you're going to do is that get the numbers starting from 5 itself going up. So that is 5, 3, 4. That's what? 8. So this number is equivalent to 348, which is in decimal. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, also share the video. By doing that, you are helping these videos to spread to a greater number of people. So see you in the next video.